First up, we have a giant circular saw machine from Roman Supplies Limited. This machine was designed to cut large stone blocks into slabs or tiles for buildings. It is capable of cutting granite, marble, and other types of stone. The machine works by using a large diameter diamond disc that can move along the rails. Its disc can cut the stone horizontally as well as vertically. It has a water spray system that can cool down the disc and reduce dust. Next, we have the Huilong 2QYKZ. This stone cutting machine has been designed for granite quarries. It features two blades that go up and down and spin on a rail. With excellent accuracy and efficiency, the machine can cut blocks of various shapes and sizes. The equipment is operated by a computer system that can modify the cutting settings based on the quality and hardness of the stone. In addition, it has a water cooling system that avoids overheating and dust pollution. Now you're looking at a quarry chainsaw from Hainan Stone Machinery. This machine is an improvised version of a rail-type chainsaw. It is equipped with a crawling undercarriage that makes it easy to move and deploy. This feature also eliminates the need for additional equipment to carry this machine. The extendable outrigger platform offers stability while stone cutting operations are underway. The rotating chain has sharp teeth that can cut through hard materials without the need for water cooling. These machines are well suited for outdoor use in mines. Next, we have the Camrock DMW220. This attachment tool is designed for demolition and quarrying applications. It is a type of cutter wheel that can cut through concrete and other hard materials. It is attached to a hydraulic excavator that has a rotating chain with sharp teeth. It can cut horizontally and vertically without water cooling. It has a rated power of 220 kilowatts and a max torque of 47,000 Newton meter. It can cut up to 26 feet deep with different wheel diameters. Next, we have the KSQJ-1360/1900. It is a stone cutting machine with two blades that can slice stone bricks into slabs. It is equipped with a hydraulic system that regulates the movement of the blades and the machine's feeding speed. It can cut stone blocks with a minimum thickness of 10 millimeters and a max dimension of 3600 by 1900 by 1500 millimeters. It is suited for cutting natural stones, such as granite, marble, sandstone, and limestone. It offers high efficiency, minimal noise, low cost of maintenance, and a long lifespan. Next, we have the CAT 16 GC. It is a 71,400-pound motor grader designed for mining operations, road building, and maintenance. It is powered by a 290 horsepower CAT C13 engine, offering proven performance and fuel economy. Its moldboard size is 16 feet, allowing it to obtain the right grade quickly and effectively. The machine also incorporates an eco mode, which controls the high engine idle speed to reduce fuel consumption. Thanks to its modular components, a central shift section, and an engine cage with full access, the 16 GC motor grader is designed for simple serviceability. It is now available only in Africa, the Middle East, Asia, Eurasia, and Indonesia.
We have the Rimpole Salt Harvester, and you'll be amazed with this machine. This is a specialized vehicle made to remove salt from salt flats or other comparable situations. A Rimpole Salt Harvester is primarily used in the salt mining business to remove salt from salt pans or from subterranean salt deposits. The Rimpole Salt Harvester has a sturdy design with a low center of gravity for stability on rocky terrain, a four-wheel drive system, and an articulated frame. The collected salt is additionally loaded into a storage hopper using a hydraulic conveyor belt system. The machine also has GPS technology, which guarantees accurate navigation and harvesting. The salt harvester is also capable of harvesting up to 30 tons of salt per hour and can work in adverse weather conditions. Additionally, based on the unique requirements of its customers, the business provides a variety of customization choices. Up next, this video has a loader from the company Cat. Their loaders are designed to bring in maximum availability, optimized performance, and simplified serviceability, so operators can finish their tasks in an efficient way while still maintaining the quality. To be more specific, the Cat Milliard large wheel loader is made to specifically assist in milliard applications. This machine is pretty impressive when it comes to its features. First, let's talk about the numbers. This loader has an operating weight of 104,326 pounds, and its bucket has a capacity range of 6.5 to 13 yards cubed. Even with that weight, it can travel up to a speed of 25 miles per hour. All of these are supported by the loader's engine that can produce up to 524 horsepower. Now, let's take a look at some of its other features. It has an advanced Z-bar loader linkage so that high breakout force and better bucket control can be provided. This loader also has an automatic power shift transmission with lock-up torque converter for efficient and smooth operation. If ever the task at hand is in high ambient temperatures, its optimized cooling system ensures that a high-quality performance is still given. Plus the fact that it has other features like optional rear-view camera, LED lights, and sound-suppressed cab for added convenience and safety. This is surely an incredible machine. The Caterpillar Transporter is a strong, adaptable vehicle built for moving heavy cargo over rough terrain. With a maximum total weight of 58 tons and a ground pressure of just 0.29 kilograms centimeters cubed, this crawler transporter has a curb weight of about 28 tons and can carry up to 30 tons of payload. Its incredibly low ground pressure, which enables it to function on delicate soils without inflicting any harm or interference, is what makes this machine absolutely extraordinary. When working on environmental initiatives where safeguarding the natural habitat is a primary priority, this is essential. The Caterpillar 963 crawler loader unit that the crawler transporter is equipped with produces 190 horsepower, which is more than enough power to do the task quickly and effectively. It's an environmentally favorable option for building projects because it's also an incredibly fuel-efficient and complies with Tier 4 final emissions standards. Due to the carrier-style construction of the crawler transporter, it can be equipped with a variety of body types, including tippers and container spreaders. Even better, because the dirt is loaded at a loading point and transported far into the fields, it can be installed immediately with the leveling blade, saving both time and energy. And it's excellent for planting soil in front of the head. An Australian business called Linhart Engineering is focused on producing machinery for the horticultural and agricultural sectors. The clay delver is one of their products that's a tool used to break up hard clay soils to increase water penetration and plant growth. The clay delver can be installed on the front of a loader or trailed behind a tractor to suit a variety of purposes. It has a number of replaceable tines that dislodge compacted soil and open up pathways for water to seep deeper into the earth. The equipment is also made to level the soil's surface while it works, giving the finished product a smooth and even surface. The clay delver has been utilized effectively in a variety of applications, including vineyards and orchards, sports fields, and golf courses, according to Linhart Engineering. The machine can help to raise agricultural yields, enhance turf quality, and lessen irrigation needs by enhancing soil structure and water penetration. A cutting-edge attachment for skid steer loaders, the Highmax skid steer concrete mixer bucket makes it simple to mix, transport, and pour concrete. The mixer bucket is constructed from sturdy materials and is designed to be extremely robust. This attachment provides users with a number of advantages to its effective mixing capacity and constant concrete quality. The adaptability of the Highmax skid steer concrete mixer bucket is one of its main benefits. It is simple to use on a variety of job sites and can be quickly mounted to any typical skid steer loader. It can also be handled by one person. Furthermore, the mixer bucket can hold up to 350 liters of concrete, therefore it can handle big amounts of concrete. It can also be used for other tasks, including mixing and pouring gravel, soil, and mortar. The mixer bucket is the best option for building sites, landscaping jobs, and agricultural work since it saves time and labor expenses compared to conventional ways of mixing and pouring concrete. A high-performance attachment created for activities including road construction and maintenance. This is the FAE RWM SSL road planer for skid steers. This hydraulic-driven head is built specifically to accommodate skid steer loaders, making it convenient to transport and use in confined spaces. A potent milling rotor on the RWM SSL road planer allows for the removal of asphalt and concrete surfaces up to a depth of 120 millimeters. The rotor is built of materials that are incredibly strong and can survive the worst operating circumstances, such as tungsten carbide-tipped teeth. The ability to hydraulically side shift and regulate depth is another feature of this attachment that enables users to change the rotor's position and cutting depth while it's in use. Even on uneven surfaces, accurate and effective planning is made possible by this fine control. A dust reduction device is also included with the RWM SSL road planer to lessen dust emissions when it's in use. Due to the enforcement of restrictions governing dust emissions in metropolitan areas, this characteristic makes it appropriate for use there. All things considered, the FAE RWM SSL road planer for skid steers is a dependable and adaptable attachment that can be used for a range of road construction and maintenance jobs, including milling, leveling, and resurfacing. The multi-purpose, remote-controlled Bozina 5 robot was created for a variety of uses. It is created by Bozina Security Systems, a Slovakian business that specializes in creating cutting-edge security solutions. Numerous characteristics of the Bozina 5 robot make it ideal for use in security and law enforcement operations. It includes an extending arm with several add-ons, including speakers, cameras, and a water cannon that can be used to control crowds remotely. The robot can function efficiently even in low light thanks to its robust searchlight and night vision camera. A battering ram that can be used to break down doors or walls in an emergency is part of the robot's safety-conscious design, along with bulletproof armor. Because it can be controlled remotely over a secure communication link from up to 1 kilometer away, it is perfect for usage in dangerous areas. The Bozina 5 robot, which combines cutting-edge technology with useful functionality to improve public safety and security, is an innovative solution for security and law enforcement applications. The BAB high-speed runway snowblower produced by the Wasnu Equipment Company is a powerful machine designed to clear snow from airport runways quickly. It has the ability to move large amounts of snow in a short period, making it an indispensable tool for airports located in regions with heavy snowfalls. One of its most distinctive features is its speed, capable of traveling up to 40 miles per hour while blowing snow off the runway using its high-speed impeller. This allows it to cover vast areas in a short amount of time, reducing the impact on airport operations. Designed with operator comfort and safety in mind, the snowblower comes with a spacious cab providing an expansive view, along with an advanced control system making it simple to use. The vehicle also includes several safety features, such as cameras for optimal visibility, automatic shutoff controls, and emergency stop button. In conclusion, the BAB high-speed runway snowblower by Wasu Equipment Company is efficient and dependable machine that plays a vital role in maintaining safe and timely flight operations by keeping airport runways free of snow during snowy conditions. The railroad industry's track maintenance has been transformed by the astonishing TurboBlast Fab 500 machine. It's a remarkably adaptable instrument for removing dirt and debris from between tracks thanks to its high-velocity airstream, adjustable nozzle, and small size. The Fab 500's portable design makes it simple to move it to other locations as needed. Additionally, because of this capability, it can be used in places where other, larger machines cannot, such as on tight turns and small rails. In addition to its adaptability, the Fab 500 is a productive device that uses little water, minimizing its environmental impact while maintaining low operating costs. The machine's customizable options, such as the vacuum system for debris collection or the auxiliary engine for independent operation, provide additional flexibility depending on the job at hand. These features make the Fab 500 an indispensable tool for maintaining railroad tracks, ensuring safe and smooth railway operations. Finally, we have the Berkeley Poseidon 770. This is a versatile amphibious machine designed to operate in various aquatic environments. It has an assortment of features that make it an excellent tool for dredging, excavating, and cleaning water bodies. The machine can accomplish these tasks through its versatile design, which allows it to travel on both land and water using tracks that give easy access to difficult-to-reach areas. Its adjustable cutter head can be modified to accommodate different materials and depths, making it ideal for various applications. The powerful pump equipped with the Poseidon 770 can move large volumes of water and sediment, allowing for efficient excavation and dredging. In addition, the machine has a spacious and comfortable operator cabin with advanced controls and ergonomic seats to ensure maximum operator comfort and efficiency. Finally, the advanced filtration system of the Poseidon 770 reduces its environmental impact by preventing sediment and other debris from being released back into the water body. Next on the line is the Cat 973, which is a track loader that is meant to bring assistance in earth-moving and material handling applications. This machine can be seen in projects like mining, construction, quarrying, and forestry operations because it's ideal for tasks that need to go through rough terrain and harsh environments. This is all made possible by its Cat C 9.3 A-Cert engine that can produce up to 311 horsepower, complete with a hydrostatic transmission system. What does this mean? Well, machines that have this system are guaranteed to have smooth and efficient operations. Not to mention its 8,000 pounds load capacity and up to 5 cubic yards of bucket capacity. Despite its operating weight of around 39,000 pounds, the Cat 973 is still easy to control with its joystick controls, automatic bucket positioning, and advanced monitoring systems. Agriculture is not only limited to farms, it also includes the forest. One of the machines used in this area is an L60 log stacker, which functions as a machine that assists in material handling. This machine specifically handles logs and timber and can function perfectly fine even in rough terrain and harsh environments. When it comes to its appearance, the L60 log stacker does not disappoint as well. This machine has a hydraulic boom and grapple system that allows easier pickup and moving of the logs. It also has a durable frame and a powerful engine, which are the backbone of an excellent performance. With its maximum operating weight of around 57,000 pounds, this log stacker can lift up to 28,660 pounds of logs in one go. Then, this list also has the Komatsu D155W, which is a large bulldozer mainly used in the construction and mining industries. This machine has been used by many projects in those two fields because it offers to move large quantities of earth, rocks, and other materials in a quick and efficient way. The features of the D155W are also made possible by its powerful diesel engine, a large blade for pushing material, and tracks for stability and traction on uneven terrain. Overall, this machine has a working weight of 39 tons. Despite that, it can still run up to 11.5 kilometers per hour. Self-propelled modular transporters, or SPMTs, like the Komodo MTH-30, are frequently employed in heavy-duty transportation operations. Large machinery, industrial equipment, and bridge sections are just a few examples of the massive and enormous loads that it's intended to carry. The Komodo MTH-30's modular construction enables it to be set up with a number of modules that may be linked together to create a larger platform capable of supporting even heavier loads. These transporters have cutting-edge technologies including hydraulic suspension systems, self-leveling capacities, and GPS tracking that guarantee the secure and effective transportation of large freight. Speaking of hydraulic suspension systems, this machine has that, which is why it can easily adapt to uneven terrains, hence reducing the risk of damaging or losing the loads while transporting. If ever problems are faced, its GPS tracking system helps it from monitoring its real-time location. This helps to ensure that the load is delivered safely and on time. The Komodo MTH-30 has a high load capacity with the ability to transport loads up to 45 tons per axle line. This makes it ideal for transporting large and heavy industrial equipment and machinery. With a 45-ton maximum weight limit per axle line, the Komodo MTH-30 has a large load capacity. This makes it perfect for moving massive, heavy industrial machines and equipment. Moving on, the Leopard 2 Lagoon makes its way to the list. Even when it has high maneuverability like the other machine Leopard 2, this machine still maintains its maximum of logistical equality. The 14-meter and 26-meter bridges offer additional growth opportunities and meet the strictest requirement profile for an MLC 80 load capacity. The automatic recording of overrun loads is ensured by a modern, integrated measuring system, allowing for the safe and reliable drawing of conclusions about the remaining bridge performance. This system also offers a number of other characteristics, such as B, in addition to a contemporary and effective defense concept, a cooling system, an extra power generator, and an all-around visibility gear that ensures maximum performance and endurance. This list also features the BLG-60, which is an armored bridge layer that's mounted on an adapted chassis of a T-55. The main difference? A launching unit replaces a combat turret. This machine has a total weight of 36 tons with a length of 9.8 meters and a height of 3 meters. The BLG-60 is also powered by a diesel engine capable of providing up to 580 horsepower of energy. This is enough to complete the machine's tasks at a maximum speed of 50 kilometers per hour. A set of hydraulic cylinders controls the machinery that opens the bridge. The distribution of hydraulic oil can be managed automatically or manually using mechanical levers. High-pressure piston pumps powered by the tank engine are used to maintain the liquid's pressure. Last on the list is the Kamag slag pot carrier. The steelmaking industry appreciates this machine a lot because it has helped a lot in successfully transporting molten slag. When ores and scrap metal are melted, slag is a byproduct. In general, they can be divided into ferrous byproducts by processing iron and steel, ferroalloy byproducts of ferroalloy manufacture, and non-ferrous and base metals byproducts of recovering non-ferrous resources like copper, nickel, zinc, and phosphorus. They're often put in large pots or containers before they can be disposed of or recycled. It's not a joke to carry these things. This is where the slag pot carrier comes in. It helps in the lifting and transportation of these heavy containers, which usually weighs several tons. The Camag slag pot carrier is a hydraulic lifting system that enables it to safely grasp and hoist the pot from the bottom. The pot is then driven to the location in the vehicle so that it can be emptied. The carrier is especially made to withstand the sweltering heat and challenging environmental factors involved in moving molten slag. One of the specialist items made by Camag, a well-known producer of heavy-duty transport vehicles for the steelmaking sector, is the slag pot carrier. Because of its low center of gravity and exceptional maneuverability, the carrier is perfect for usage in confined environments like foundries and steel mills. Overall, the Camag slag pot carrier is an important tool for the safe and efficient handling of molten slag in the steelmaking process.
Next, we have the CAT HW300. It is a high-wall mining system that allows for both underground and surface mining. Depending on the seam height, it is capable of producing 44,000 to 121,000 tons of coal each month. The system comprises an underground-driven, unmanned cutter module that operates in front of the Highwall. The cutter module is driven into the seam by a series of push beams, which also convey the extracted coal back to the entrance of the drive and onto a stack. The system has a comfortable climate-controlled pressurized cab that provides a comprehensive view of the mining activity and the Highwall. As the coal seam fluctuates, the operator can manually adjust the machine function using an ampere measurement. Up next, we have the M300D from American Augers, showing off at the Utility Expo IQ. It is a fluid cleaning system for horizontal directional drilling. It can accommodate any drilling equipment with a fluid cleaning capacity of 300 gallons per minute. The device consists of a single derrick shaker and 4 screens that use patented technology to separate particles from the drilling fluid. It can maintain a sand concentration of 0.5% or less in the fluid returned to the well. The system also includes a tank agitation system to keep sediment suspended in the tank and 3 specialized pumps to maintain constant flow and pressure for each function. It is powered by a 480-volt generator with no diesel particulate filter or regeneration cycles. Next, we have the Guntert & Zimmermann 7300. This trenching machine is designed to dig and create canals for irrigation or drainage. It features a large toothed metal wheel that revolves and cuts the earth into a trapezoidal shape. The dirt is subsequently transferred to the other bank of the canal by use of a conveyor belt. The machine can modify the canal's size and depth in response to the slope. It is powered by a diesel engine that complies with environmental regulations. The machine's tracks and leveling mechanism enable it to traverse uneven terrain. It has been built by a California-based company, Guntert & Zimmermann, and weighs around 95,000 pounds. Well, there you have it. We hope you enjoyed learning about these great machines. If you did, consider subscribing. We've got plenty of more machines that you can learn about. Just click here. And with that, we'll see you next time.